I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my fourth attempt at doing this. We're taking a jumbo marshmallow and sticking in the microwave. The problem I'm running into is it tends to roll over and wants to get near the edge of the plate, which of course is going to create a mess, which I don't want to clean up. But so I'm going to put the edge to begin with and see when it swells up if it'll roll over to the center at least. There we go, that should be good. We're just going to put this in for 2 minutes and see what happens from there. Hopefully it's going to roll over towards the center of the plate this time. Yeah, it is going towards the center a little bit. I don't think it's going to roll off the edge at least. So as you see, it is getting rather large. It's going to probably take up over half the plate. And what's happening here is marshmallows, a bunch of air bubbles in it actually, and so when it swells, it's actually the air that's swelling up in it. And that's about all the bigger it gets there. As you see, there's a hole in it where the air is escaping. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out here. It's rather funny to see hot marshmallow. It's like Jell-O. And it's flat. Flat, gooey marshmallow.